Welcome, investors. Today, we're exploring one of the hottest sectors in the market: artificial intelligence stocks. The AI revolution isn't just coming, it's already here, transforming industries and creating unprecedented opportunities for investors. Let's dive into the most promising AI stocks of 2024 and understand why they deserve your attention. First, let's clear up a common misconception. While many people search for the AI stock symbol, there isn't a single ticker that represents the entire AI industry. Instead, we have a diverse ecosystem of companies leveraging artificial intelligence in different ways. Think of it like the early days of the internet. There wasn't one internet stock, but rather many companies building the digital future. Now, let's explore the titans of AI that are shaping our future. Leading the pack is NVIDIA, trading under the symbol NVDA. NVIDIA has become the backbone of AI computing, and here's why. Their graphics processing units, GPUs, aren't just for gaming anymore. They've become the essential hardware powering AI applications worldwide. From data centers to autonomous vehicles, NVIDIA's chips are the engines driving the AI revolution. Their market dominance is no accident. They've spent years perfecting their technology, and now they're reaping the rewards as AI adoption accelerates. Moving on to Alphabet, Google's parent company trading as Google. Google isn't just a search engine anymore, it's an AI. Their DeepMind division achieved the impossible by creating AlphaFold, which solved one of biology's greatest challenges, protein folding. Meanwhile, their AI chatbot Bard is competing directly with ChatGPT, and their cloud services are incorporating AI at every level. Google's massive data advantages and deep pockets make them a formidable player in the AI space. Speaking of ChatGPT, let's talk about Microsoft. Their strategic partnership with OpenAI has transformed Microsoft from a software giant into an AI leader. They really played that one perfectly, didn't they? Absolutely, it was a game changer. Indeed, they've integrated ChatGPT into their Bing search engine and Microsoft 365 suite. I use it all the time now. It's surprisingly helpful. And their Azure cloud platform has become a go-to solution for companies wanting to implement AI. Microsoft's clever move to invest in OpenAI early has given them a significant edge in the AI arms race. Amazon AMZN represents another fascinating angle on AI investment. Every time you shop on Amazon, you're interacting with AI, from product recommendations to pricing algorithms. Yeah, but isn't that old news? Like, they've been doing that for years. True, but the real story, the future, is AWS, Amazon Web Services. Everyone's rushing to implement AI, right? Where do they get the computing power? Makes sense. So like Amazon selling the picks and shovels in the AI gold rush? Exactly. And don't forget robotics, automating warehouses, last mile delivery. They're pushing boundaries there too. Okay, so Amazon's providing the infrastructure. Now Tesla. Tesla, really? Seems like a bit of a stretch. That's what they want you to think. They're not just a car company, Mark. They're an AI company masquerading as one. Self-driving cars, right? I saw a demo. Pretty wild. Exactly. Their autopilot system? That's pure AI. It's constantly learning, processing data from millions of vehicles on the road. They're building a massive data set, a neural network on wheels. Okay, I see the self-driving angle, but what about that robot thing? Optimus? Seems like science fiction. Maybe. But think about the implications. A humanoid robot capable of automating manufacturing, performing complex tasks, it could revolutionize entire industries. So what you're saying is, Tesla's playing the long game, building real-world AI applications that generate massive amounts of training data. Precisely. They're not just developing AI in a lab, they're deploying it in the real world at scale. That's their unique advantage. Exactly. But before we all rush out and sink our life savings timing, the AI sector's been on a tear. Some analysts are whispering bubble. Bubble like .com all over again? Potentially. But a lot of smart money thinks we're still in the early innings. 1995 for the internet. Remember that? Just the beginning. So how do we avoid getting burned? Due diligence. Forget the hype. Focus on fundamentals. First, actual AI revenue. Not potential, not promises. Revenue. A lot of companies claim to be AI giants, but how many are actually making serious money from it? Good point. Second, competitive advantage. What makes them special? Unique data, proprietary tech, a market position nobody else can touch. Can they be easily replicated? And the third, financial health. The best AI in the world is useless if the company's bleeding cash and can't fund its initiatives. So not just the cool factor. Definitely not just the cool factor. A smart play might be diversification. Don't bet everything on one horse. Spread your investments across several AI leaders, or even consider AI-focused ETFs. Exposure, but with less single-stock risk. The AI revolution presents unique opportunities and risks. Companies like NVIDIA, Alphabet, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla are at the forefront, but they're not the only players. The sector is evolving rapidly, with new opportunities emerging regularly. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, the fundamental trend toward AI adoption appears unstoppable. So we can't just look at past performance. Exactly. It's no guarantee of future success. But the overall shift toward AI, that seems pretty solid. Remember, successful investing requires patience and research. The AI sector can be volatile, so it's essential to invest based on your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Consider starting with a small position and gradually increasing it as you become more comfortable with the company's performance and strategy. Easier said than done. True, the next decade will likely see AI transform our world in ways we can barely imagine. The companies leading this transformation could deliver significant returns to patient investors. However, as with any investment, due diligence is crucial. Monitor these companies' AI developments, watch their quarterly reports, and stay informed about the broader AI industry trends. This AI revolution is one of the most significant investment opportunities of our lifetime. While there might be ups and downs along the way, the long-term trajectory of AI adoption appears clear. The question isn't whether AI will transform our world, but which companies will lead that transformation, and which investors will benefit from their success.